Introducing the Gen 2 Needleless Connector, designed with neutral pressure to reduce patient discomfort during insertion and withdrawal. Fully compliant with ISO 80369-7 standards. It is compatible with most other infusion products, ensuring broad applicability across clinical settings. The easy-to-clean, wipeable surface is designed for clinical use, leaving no residue, which enhances safety and hygiene. With a low residual volume of just 0.016 milliliters, the Gen 2 ensures a safer and more efficient infusion process. Its transparent design allows for easy visibility of the fluid path, enhancing operational accuracy. Compact and versatile, it's ideal for pediatric care or other small-scale needleless infusion systems. Choose the Gen 2 Needleless Connector for safer, more comfortable, and reliable infusion experience.